Every company building physical products faces the same constraint. They need to understand how decisions made today will shape real-world behavior before it becomes too late, too expensive, or too risky to change. When physics shows up late, companies don't just lose time, they lose opportunity. To change the economics of building hardware, physics has to do three things at once: deliver manufacturing-level precision, move fast enough to change the design, and be usable by more than just specialists. That's the bar. And Vinci is the first system built to meet it. The physics begins immediately. Vinci ingests the design file, resolves the full geometry, loads the 18-layer stack up, and applies power where it actually exists in the design. The first result gives the team a starting point, but the important moment is not the number. It is the question that comes next. It looks like there's only one hotspot. Help me understand that. That starts the back and forth. Vinci analyzes the thermal bottleneck, traces the heat flow, and identifies which sources and layers are driving the constraint. The user can then push further. What cooling solution would keep maximum temperature under 95 degrees Celsius? In less than 24 minutes, Vinci returns the answer. Minimum top surface convection of approximately 144 watts per square meter per degree Celsius. At 125, peak temperature exceeds the limit. At 144, the design passes. The implication is clear: standard cooling is not enough. The design requires a higher performance thermal solution. That is the value of the system. The team does not just get a heat map. They get a requirement, a pass-fail threshold, and a clear decision about what must change before the design moves forward. This is not a better interface. It's earlier physics, physics with manufacturing precision, physics at the speed of design, physics accessible beyond specialist workflows. When all three exist at once, everything changes. This is physics moving from validation to always available infrastructure for engineering decisions. This is Vinci.